Mga kaibigan, wala po sa Araneta Coliseum. Kapatuloy po ang playback, rest back para sa kababayan. Desvino Morales, siya po ang umawit ng lupang hinirang.
Oo. No punch, no punch.
Kanina laban.
No punch.
Right now,
Okay, we just got a clarification from referee Bruce McDuffie.
Kanina po kasi nagkaroon tayo ng break dahil nga po nagbukas ng sugat sa mukha ni Antonio Meza.
Ang gaya na sinabi ko kanina, no, under WBO or international rules, wala pong automatic point deduction kung accidental headbutt. Iba kasi yung rule dito sa games and minister sport. So we are following WBO rules. Kanya walang deduction si Ray Boom Boom Bautista for that accidental headbutt. Ito makikita po natin, punches thrown and punches landed. And mas maraming punches thrown si Meza, ha? Pero mas magandang accuracy ni Boom Boom Bautista.
Ray Boom Bautista ayun, may masirin siguro itong mga bitaw niya dito kay Antonio Meza.
Now, let's also check kung yung flow of blood na-stem ng cornerman ni Antonio Meza. Working his corner, of course, is the former IBF minimum weight champion Edgar Cardenas. Tuntun
Si
ang tawag
Tuntun,
sa kanya.
Cardenas. Marami pa nakakaalala rin sa boksingero yan, ha?
Oo.
Nasa corner po nitong Mexican contingent na tumungo dito. Again, nasa gitna po dito, palitan na suntok.
Some power shots, bombs being thrown sa loob ng ring, and not just by Boom Boom but also by Barrio Meza.
Miss by Meza. Right now, ito si Boom Boom looking for the opening. Yung duck dito ni Boom Boom. Ayun, nagkadikita naman sila dito.
At sumusuntok dito si Meza, hindi si Boom Boom, ha?
Miss yung uppercut mula dito kay Meza.
Boom Boom looking for the opening, and then he unloads.
Nagko-conserve na rin ang mga binibitawan si Boom Boom dito. And you can see, binababa dito ni Boom Boom, yung kanyang guard doon, Kinito. May kapaguran na rin kaya para kay Boom Boom dito.
Parang either that or parang iniimbita niya si Meza na pumasok.
Oo.
Para mag-counter siya. Boom Boom Bautista, only 21 years old. He signed to a 3-year contract by Golden Boy Promotions.
Mukhang imbitasyon Mukhang imbitasyon Kinito Pinapalapit niya ito si Meza
Ako, ang feeling natin, Boom Boom is looking for an impressive knockout. He's looking for one solid shot. And I think he's veering away from the fight plan. Dapat being patient, kagaya ng ginawa ni AJ Banal kanina, no? He showed a lot of patience. Methodical ang kanyang pag-aatake until the opening presented itself. And then he took advantage. 9th round stoppage. Scored by Banal over Giovanni Soto. Mukhang na-stem yung flow of blood, huh? I don't see too much blood coming out of that.
Give it up.
Oh, sunod-sunod yun. Punches below the belt.
Ito si referee Bruce McDuffie calling for time dito, ha?
Now, mabibigyan ng warning si Boom Boom, either a warning or maybe even a point deduction. But under international rules, you will be deducted a point after 3 warnings. 3 warnings. Also under international rules, you're given as much as 5 minutes to recover from a low blow. But usually the fighters don't take 5 minutes. Masyadong mahaba kasi 5 minutes.
Alam mo naman, protektado rin naman talaga ng todo yung lower portion ng katawan natin, ang katawan ng mga boksingero.
A very tough round to call. I would have to give that round to Meza. I would give that round to Meza because yung work rate ni Boom Boom biglang bumaba. I thought he was conserving his energy.
Bueno mga kaibigan, balik action tayo dito, Kinito, ha? Ito, binigyan mo itong round na ito kay Meza.
Yes, I would think so, no? Because unang-una yung mga, tingnan mo, no? Yung mga banat ni Boom Boom are being parried. Maganda yung depensa ni Meza, and then on the other hand, siyang nagka-comeback. Tapos nag-low blow nga si Bautista ron, nakita-kita natin.
So doon napatras
si Meza.
Si Meza.
I thought Meza did a good job from the start of that round. He's showing a lot more aggressiveness. At nagmi-miss si Bautista. Also, his work rate went down. Parang nagpahinga siya. Coasting round yun para sa kanya. And so, almost by default, you give that to Meza.
At bibilib ka rin sa corner ni Mesa pagkat naampat nila tong sugat
pare, oo.
ni Mesa eh. At kaya naman in that round, sabi mo nga, mukhang kinuha yun ni Barrio Mesa. Dito po tayo sa round number 6 scheduled for po ito.
Again, pag umpisa ng ating round, na-warningan si Bautista with a low blow. But I like the way he came out of his corner, throwing that left jab.
And you can hear si referee Bruce McTavish reminding ito po si Bobo Bautista to keep it up. Oh,
Nice shot there.
to the head.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, power combinations. When you throw the left jab, throw it with authority. Tapos, you follow it up with a nice right straight. Power combinations. That's the key.
At yun yung mga ginamit ni Ray Boom Boom Bautista. Yung mga pinigil niya sila Sergio Medina, Marino Montiel, Jovan Andrade, and of course Roberto Chucky Bonilla.
Oo.
Huli na naman kombinasyon. Oo, dito si Boom Boom. Maraming kislaman yung kanyang left hook doon.
Parang nag-conserve ng energy si Boom Boom in the previous round. And now he's throwing a lot of punches dito sa round na to. Oh, nice shot there, the right hand. That went through. And
And
again,
now, buto kumukanek si Boom Boom. At the very game at Mesa.
oo, talagang
Atake.
bumabalik eh. Oh. Siya nasaktan doon, pero siya pa ang bumabanat.
And Boom Boom
Siya pa
had,
ang sumusugod.
ito kailangan magtakdo ni Boom Boom Bautista.
Some solid shots scored by Boom Boom. Now we see again a trickle of blood coming from that cut inflicted by the accidental headbutt in round number 4.
A lot of work waiting para to sa corner ni Mesa dito.
Ang battle of attrition ito, partner, scheduled for 12 tayo. And we're only in
There's a
round number 6.
double up left na mula dito kay Boom Boom na kumunek sa mukha ni Mesa.
Some foot movement here from Boom Boom Bautista.
And right now,
Look at Mesa connecting with those short punches to the face of Boom Boom Bautista.
ito si Ray Boom Boom Bautista, pero sumasaba, nakikipagsabayan dito si Mesa.
Bautista
And Ray
throwing
Boom
at
Boom
left.
Bautista,
A series of left hooks, clubbing left hooks by Boom Boom Bautista. Boy, the crowd loving it.
a furious exchange sa
Oo.
pagitan ng mga boksingerong ito. At doon sa mga binibitawan ni Boom Boom Bautista, dama mo yung galit at
Oo.
ngit-ngit ni Boom
At
Boom Bautista.
nagkakasakitan yung dalawa, ha?
Oo.